morning guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I would like to thank you all of you for supporting my channel and checking out my 2 previous videos. And I hope you're doing well in these COVID-19 quarantine days. Today, I'm creating this menu to help you boost your immune system and fight with the virus such as flu or COVID-19, for example. As you know from so many researchers, there are some herbs that have antiviral effects against the avian influenza or viruses, which I chose 3 of them for today's menu. So if you're ready, let's get started. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed today's menu. I still have a lot more coming up for healthy options and antivirus food. If you like it, stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, and I'll see you next time.